Hello my dear students, this is Akash SD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope so you all are doing very good. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter ray optics, and here you can see refraction is going to take place where at the curved surface. That means we are going to learn the concept of refraction through the curved surface. Okay, so let's learn all the basics through the question, and this question asked in a JEE 2025 exam. Okay, so see here, a spherical surface of radius of curvature r separates air from glass. Refractive index given how much? 1.5. The center of curvature is in the glass medium. Okay, a point object O placed in air on the optic axis of the surface so that its real image is formed at I inside glass. Now the line OI intersects the spherical surface at P. You can see OI is there intersecting at P, and PO equal to PI. The distance PO equal to how much here? Okay, so here if we talk about here the distance, what is given here? Let's take if the PI distance is this one and this is this distance here. Both the distance what is given here, both the distances are equal. So let's take, I have taken here x. Na? Both the distances are equal. After that, remember that here what we have to calculate here, we have to calculate the value of the PO. So remember that here the PO is what? This is the object and all the distances are measured from pole. Okay, so anyhow what will happen, object is here, image is here, so ray will travel in this direction. Which direction? O to Y. So if the ray will travel left to right, what will happen that here in the direction of ray travel we will take positive direction. Again I'm telling, the ray is traveling left side to right side, so right we have taken positive and left we have taken negative. That means from pole object is situated which side? Left side. So here what will happen that here this U will be minus x. Why? Because left side. And with respect to pole, image is where? Right side. So this V is there now, with sign convention, this V will be, I'm writing here, V will be plus x. Now this is clear. After that, remember that one more thing. Here, if we talk about here the refraction from the curved surface formula, the formula is what? Mu2 by V minus mu1 by U is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by R. Okay. In this, if we talk about the formula, you know very well, U is the distance of the object from pole, V is the distance of image from pole, R is the radius of curvature of the curved surface. But what is this mu1 and mu2? For that we have to remember that here one thing, mu1 is the medium from which light ray is coming. Okay, mu1 what is where? Mu1 we have to take from where light ray is coming. Okay, that means object side. If we talk about here mu2, mu2 is the medium in which light ray is going. Okay, so here what can I write here? I can write here light ray is going in this medium. Okay, so you can see very well, object is here, so light ray is starting from where? From object towards pole. That means anyhow this medium is mu1, is it? And the light ray will go in this medium. So what is this? This is the mu2 here. Okay, remember that here. Even I will draw the ray diagram also, not a problem. Okay, but first if I will solve the question here, see the question is what? Mu2 value how much is given? The mu2 value is given here 1.5. So 1.5 divided by x minus mu1 value how much is given here? 1. And what is the value of the U? You can see based upon the sign convention, U is minus x. Is it? U is minus x. And mu2 minus mu1? Mu2 is 1.5. Basics are very, very important. Minus 1 and radius of curvature is R. Here radius of curvature, why I am taking positive? Because remember that here if I talk about this curved surface, so here one imaginary sphere will form and the radius of curvature will exist where? They will exist somewhere this side here. Okay, let's take for example if I take the radius of curvature here, is it? So we have to solve this, but why I am telling the radius of curvature is a positive? Because here this distance I am taking here. This distance, this is the radius of curvature. Definitely, kindly see very well, that's why we are taking here positive, is it? Kindly see here very well, is it? So now students, after that when we will go for the next one, it will come here, remember that it will come, see 1.5 divided by x, minus minus will become plus. Kindly see here, this minus and this minus plus, so plus 1 by x. Okay, plus 1 by x is equal to 1.5 minus 1, that means 0.5 and divide by r, is it? After that, what will happen that here 1.5 by x plus 1 by x, it will become here 2.5 by x, okay, is equal to 0.5 divided by r. And if I write here the value of x, by doing the cross multiplication, it will become here r, and here it will come here 2.5 by 0.5. So when you will remove the decimal, 25 by 5, 25 by 5, how much here? 5. So we can write here x equal to r into 5, or we can write here x equal to 5r, is it? So this is the final answer is going to be, see here, x equal to 5r. Kindly see here, no, kindly see steps, very easy. So what is the x equal to 5r is coming, okay? So the correct answer is here option A is the answer 5r, okay? But if we talk about the diagram, according to the calculation, it is looking like what is x? X is 5r, no? That means pi distance is the 5r. That means if we talk about here r is x by 5. That means definitely the center of curvature is a left side of the eye, because its distance is what? Its distance is less than x, is it? So from here, what will happen that here I will draw here the one like this here. I have drawn here one normal. Now like this I have drawn here. Now this is normal here. Let's take here. This is a normal I have taken here. Now this is normally always dotted. Okay. And after that, if we draw here the diagram, so what will happen that here? Remember that here from the object, no? From the object, ray will come. See, it is not going, but okay, so I'll draw here. Is it like this? Ray will go here. Is it like this? Like this it went. Let me increase here the thickness somewhat. Now like this, O to I. And after that, what is happening that here? The ray is traveling where to where? Rarer medium to the denser medium. That means what will happen? It will bend towards the normal and image will form at I. Is it? So again, let me try here. See from here. See like this here. Now it is going here. Okay. Okay. And here this is. See. So you can see very well. O to I it is forming. We used to tell that this is I. Okay. And this we used to tell that here R. And you know very well when the light ray will travel air medium to the glass medium, or we can tell rarer to the denser medium, the refracted ray will bend towards the normal. Is it? So I hope so this is very, very clear. This distance is what? X. This distance is x. And what is this distance? R. And what is the value of the x? X is coming 5r. Kindly see here, and the ray diagram also. Is it? So students, I hope so this video of the ray optics belonging to the topic refraction from the curved surface, or we can tell spherical surface, is very, very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.